welcome back to the channel. We're doing an actual video today.
Yeah.
It's been a while. Usually we do lives, except for if it's Vlogtober, but we thought for Christmas in July, which is what we're doing, spooky Christmas in July, we thought we would do videos. So this feels a little weird. We're gonna get back into it though. Hopefully you like the setup downstairs. I did post a short of where I got these. They are super epic, so I hope you're enjoying the decor. But Grammy Di sent us 2 Christmas in July, spooky Christmas in July boxes to open. So we're gonna do 2 videos. This is gonna be box number 1, and then the second video will be box number 2. And in box number 2, there is like a little teaser for Vlogtober. I don't know what it is, so you definitely have to tune into the second video to see. So we are just gonna dive in. This is the box. And if you're new to the channel, Juliet and I have had our channel for 7 years.
Yeah, it's weird.
Isn't that crazy? I just got like the notification on YouTube. We used to do a lot more videos. We don't do as much now. I am on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, so if you like daily content, that's where you could see the spooky stuff there, but we just do videos when we feel like it. So we're gonna do this, we're gonna open. Also, if you're new, I'm a huge Nightmare Before Christmas collector, and we are like every day is Halloween people here. So everything's gonna be a little spooky. So this is the inside, and let's just go for it, right?
Yeah.
So there's probably gonna be like spooky Christmas ornaments in this one.
Yeah.
So we got a bag.
We got a bag.
Anything for Nicholas we're gonna put to the side, and I'll probably like insert a picture or a video. I'm not sure yet, but this is for Nicholas. Megan, should we just start?
Yeah.
Okay, so this does kind of have a lot, just so you guys can see.
So grab a snack and a drink and get ready to go.
Yeah, maybe it's pause, grab some snacks and a drink. We're gonna try not to go super long, but
Yeah.
it's hard to tell. So here we go. Oh!
Leggings.
Yes, me and Juliet love leggings. These are cute. Oh, I remember she told me to check the pockets.
Oh.
So I also, in my leggings, I got almond butter dates. Yum. That sounds delicious.
Ooh, I got,
Oh, you got lollipops.
yeah.
These are cute. We love leggings. So most of this stuff will be actually spooky Christmas. She just also throws in lifestyle as well. All right, Juliet, while you do that, I'm going to start separating.
Oh, did you check your other pocket?
No. Oh my God, what did you get? Chipotle? I got Trader Joe's! We were just there. We love Trader Joe's. The only downfall is they're kind of pricey.
They are. It's a scam.
So hooray for Trader Joe's. Like, I am so stoked we love Trader. Have you been telling her we've been going?
Yeah.
That must be why. Mom, we always love those gift cards.
We love Trader Joe's.
Okay, awesome. That was so fun. Okay, I just gave you one, right?
Yeah. Now I can convince Dad to get Chipotle one day.
Yes, we love Chipotle too. All right, here we go. Oh, this is my first ornament.
Me too. Oh, it's Moana.
I got Haunted Mansion.
Oh, that's
We love the live action Moana. You really liked it, right?
Yeah.
It was good. Should we take them out? Let's take them out. Also, you guys, Juliet, our family, and Grammy Di went on a very epic vacation.
Yes, we
in
did.
June, and we want to do a video about it. Like, I didn't film content for it. I just filmed like vertical for like Instagram and whatnot. I didn't film YouTube, but oh my gosh, that's so pretty. We want to do a live about our vacation, and we want to tell you guys where we went and what we did, and
all the story time.
we had an insane travel day, like absolutely insane travel day. But we want to do it when you guys are going to be on, so we can chat with you. That's
Yeah.
the funnest part about lives, is talking to you in the comments or in the live chat. So let us know if you're interested in watching that live. When you're available to participate, and that's when we'll schedule it, because it's summer, so Juliet's schedule is a little more flexible. Anyways, here's my Haunted Mansion one. That is so cute. Okay, that's exciting. If you can't put it back in, that's okay, we'll figure it out, because Hallmark for some reason makes it so hard to put the ornaments back. So we'll figure it out later. Okay. Oh, this one feels big. Megan. Okay, this won't be as long as I thought it was. Some of these are really, really big. I'm finding one for Juliet so we can go together. Or she can just open all mine. You can just open mine. All right. This is what I'm opening. That's what she's opening. Also, we all share here. Oh. This is in bubble wrap.
You got a Super Bowl one.
What? Oh, I'm from Seattle, guys, so I'm a Seahawks fan. So we got a Super Bowl one because they won the Super Bowl. What is this? What is this? Swirling water globe. Oh my goodness. I've never even seen this before. Did you think she got this at Hallmark? It says Hallmark. Okay, so it's a villain's swirling water globe. That is so cool. Of course, we're taking it out. Open with care. Okay. All right, I have scissors. I'm prepared. Wow. You guys, this is so cool. Okay, the base has all different... This is so cool. Does it turn on? It's got to turn on. Okay, well, I'll have to add batteries and so I can turn it on for you guys. You'd think they would just put some batteries in it. Oh, no, it turns on. Oh, my gosh. Oh, look at that.
That's cool.
That's so cool. Okay, so there's Evil Queen, Ursula, Maleficent, and... Oh, that's it. So there's just 4, I guess, or 3. Anyways, 3. That is so cool. I can cast all my spells.
This one.
I can cast spells on Dad. I love this. This is so fun. What? That is so fun. Oh, Juliet's trying to cheat. Look at that.
It's the Super Bowl one.
I love it. This is really cool. Okay, I'm turning it off. That is super cool. That will stay out all year. Okay, awesome. There's already a huge mess. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, you're just gonna, I think the rest are for me, but we can just both open. Oh, I got another Haunted Mansion. Constance. Jack. Last year we only did an NBC tree and it was really awesome. Oh, this is cool. Is there battery? No battery. She does light up. Oh, it's a storyteller one. Like where you plug in the cord in the back and then they talk to each other. But that is super cool. Wow. Awesome. Let's see that one. Does he do anything?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Should I take him out?
Well, I thought we don't have to because they have like...
Okay, true. He doesn't really do anything. It's just his head. I was able to put that back in. That's exciting. Okay, you do that one. Ooh, spooky Christmas wall decals or
oh, it's
window.
a box.
You love those boxes. Are these the same? Yeah, they're the same. Those are awesome.
It's like
Here, scissors. Okay, we only have 4 more, so this is gonna go way quicker than I thought. All right, I'm gonna. It's already... Oh my gosh, we forgot to do the card. I'll do that. Okay, and it's an NBC card, Seasons Greetings. Dear precious pumpkin queens, here's to the delight of discovery, to the warmth and moments shared, to collecting and capturing every bit of merry magic that makes this holiday season yours. Can't wait for you to see the magic and wonder come to life in... In this year's keepsake collection, from favorite characters to seasonal icons, there's something for everyone. The cheer is finally here. Love, Mom. Grammy died. That's so sweet.
Look how cute
It's
this is.
Jack. Does he open?
He has this opening at the bottom.
Oh, like maybe he could even be a tree topper.
Yeah.
Does this? Oh, I guess that doesn't come. I thought so. His arms are folded, but there's an opening, so you could make him a tree topper or just set him out like this. I'll probably put him under the Halloween tree like this.
Yeah.
He's super cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. So our viewfinder just went dead, so we don't even know if these are like in focus. If they're not, I will insert some video or photos. Okay. Oh, Nicholas. Which one do you want to do? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, we just have one left after this. Oh, it's a Beetlejuice!
It's another haunted mansion.
That's awesome. Oh, this one looks like it probably lights up. Oh, that is so cute. I think just this part lights up. That's really cute. Maybe we'll just do like a Tim Burton tree this year. Well, I guess I should put the Haunted Mansion on it too. Let's see. All right, you show that, and I'm gonna open the last one. Feels like a tree skirt. I was right. That is so cool. Is that a storyteller too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is a tree skirt. This is really cute. Or, oh, I guess it's, instead of a tree skirt, it's more like I'll show you this part, but you like put it around and it kind of stands up, which is cute. So you could do this and a tree skirt if you really wanted to. What did they call this? Oh, it's a fabric tree collar. That's cute. I love Sandy Claus, but that's what the whole thing looks like right there. Oh my God, I love it. That was exciting.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is it for box 1. We are going to just turn around and open box 2 in our same outfits right now, but you have to wait the next day for the video. So make sure to comment below if you guys want to see us do like a video about our vacation, a live. We would love to do it and talk to you. So let us know when you're available, our weekends best, weekdays, whatever. And we'll schedule the live like very soon before Juliet goes back to school. So make sure to wait for the next video to see box 2 and a Vlogtober preview. So thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.